Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with a new toy. So we'll do an unboxing kind of tonight, and then we'll do the full-blown video tomorrow in terms of its setup and operation. It's a Greenworks 40 volt, thank you dog. It's a Greenworks 40 volt cordless lawnmower. And the reason why we bought this is that I've got a 2-year-old who runs around the yard. Not really good to have a full-blown gas-powered mower running while he's around, especially because it's loud and it can throw things. So we bought this one here. It's a 2-in-1, which means it mulches and bags, and it's electric rechargeable, so there's no cord and it's quiet. So the missus can be doing trim mowing while the kids over there playing in the sandbox type of scenario there, and it only runs for maybe half an hour to an hour. In theory, it's what we're told, so it's perfect charge time as well. So here's the box. I'm going to unbox it a little bit because I want to read the manual and I need to charge the battery before we really do anything. So I'm just going to cut the top open here. So opening the box, don't go too deep with your knife because apparently the bag's right on top. So it's got the bag. And that's cool. I don't think we're going to be using the bag much. I have no problems using the mower aspect of it. Of course, my Turbo 231 guys are already rolling their heads saying, why the hell are you getting another mower? And the answer is no good reason. Here's the battery. So it is a 40 volt lithium ion. It's a 2-year warranty on the battery, which I'm happy with. So if we have issues, we did buy it at the local Canadian Tire, but you can buy it at national chains. But it's different than their Yardworks brand. So this is what we'll need to charge tonight probably. So that's here, but I'll read the manual because we're going to read the manual about it. Probably half the value of the mower, we paid $350 for it Canadian, is in the charger. I think to replace the battery in the charger, it's like 150 bucks. So, and here's the box with the charger. So we'll bring this inside too, and it's a cool charger here. Tells you when it's charging and when it's done. Once again, we'll read the manual on the awesomeness of that thing. And then inside we've got the mower, as you can see here. So if you, it's a cute little unit. There's a little pamphlet. But what I want, I'm sure it comes with one, is the instruction manual. You see it hiding in here, sweetie? Mm-mm. No? Well, I guess we'll totally unbox it then and see if we can find the manual. So that's a cool bar. I'm not sure what it's for, but here's the top part of the handle, but it's wired to the machine. Get this cardboard out. Here's the butt of the unit. It's actually not that heavy. There it is. Here's the manual. And then let's just pull it out of the box, why not? So, get you to back up some. So that's in a nutshell. I'm guessing that goes like that, and that goes like that, and we'll go from there. But anyway, this is what we'll assemble tomorrow. It's a little late in the day. It's kind of bright outside, but it's like 10:30, so this is what we'll get set up for tomorrow. But if you guys have any questions or awesomeness or thumbs like that, just let me know. Subscribe to my channel. Either channel, we'll do a release this one on both, I think. Turbo 231 for the really awesome people, and then for the less awesome people, the Red Barn Homestead. Subscribe to Red Barn Homestead. It's my other non-tractory channel. I do with my wife about homesteading stuff, but anywho, we'll do a more detailed fire up of this Greenworks 17-inch 40 volt mower, and I'm going to read the manual tonight, so hopefully I'll be full of fun-filled information. Catch you guys later.